Gray's special Christmas presents from Santa Claus. Let's see how they're gonna react. Guess what, Gray? Come here for a second. Come here for a second, Gray. Come here for a second. I know, what's mommy gonna bring up? Come see. Whoa. What's that? What's that? Whoa.
Look at the door's on the other side, Cam.
So
What
right
is
here.
it?
Pull it open.
Okay, you want to go inside? Okay,
Yeah.
Gray. Grayson,
Yeah.
look it. You want to go inside your truck?
Good job. Close the door.
Gray, look, you can go inside. Move that way.
Okay.
Go on this side.
Whoa. You can use your
Come on, let's see.
you can use your feet. Use your feet.
Whoa, Gray.
What do you think?
You want to go inside, Gray? You want to close the door, Gray?
You gonna hop in, Cam? Yeah.
Gray, where are you? Mommy's gonna get her camera.
Close the door. Use your feet to walk it.
Where's your feet?
Right, Gray. Should we get you moving? You can use your feet to walk.
Can you close the door? Okay.
Use your feet. Can you reach the ground? I don't think you can reach the ground yet. Yeah, use your feet, Cam.
Cam, where are you? Look at
Wow.
What is it, Cam? Gray. Drive, Gray. Shut, look at Mommy.
You gonna drive, Gray?
Peekaboo, Gray. Peek. What is it, Grayson? Gray, do you see the wall?
What do you think, Gray?
Is it cool?
What do you think, Cam, man? Where are you going backwards? Where are you going?
Cam, are you gonna go for a drive? For a drive?
There you go.
Guys, did you guys get new trucks? Where are your new trucks?
Drive, Cam. Drive, Gray. Maybe Mommy can push you around.
Don't let me push you around. Okay, great. Close your door. Close your door. Vroom.
What do you think, Gray? Wow!
Cam, look at. You even got a helmet to go to work in. Okay, go to work.
You wanna hop in? Mommy will push you around too. There you
want a
go.
helmet on, Cam? You gonna go to work?
Close the door. Okay, I'm ready, Mommy.
You ready to go driving? Oh, we need to close the door properly. Yes, I know. Okay. Okay, there you go. It's closed. You ready?
You going to work, Cam? Well, if you go in your big truck. Now the horns work. Well, you got to where you needed to go, Cam?
Ready? You want to get out? Okay, you put your helmet in the back of your truck. You put it in your trunk.
So I'm gonna go get my tools. Grace, like, I can't get out. Cam parked too close, didn't he?
Yeah, you gonna put your hat back in your trunk?
Foreman's not gonna like you wearing your hat backwards. Hey, Gray? You see, Gray, you've got a little tailgate there.
Gray, do you want to come out and look at your truck?
Drive, drive, drive.
Daddy, I think you should look to see where Grayson's feet are. Where are Grayson's feet?
His toes kind of touch. That's about it.
Close the door, Mommy. Okay, now use your feet. Use your feet. Push with your feet. They'll be flying around here all the time.
Oh, yeah.
Put your hat off. Okay, put your hat in your trunk. Yep, push with your feet. Use your feet. Yeah, there you go.
Gray, you moving too?
Good job, Gray. Are you driving? Can you use your feet?
All right, close your door.
Okay, remember to close your door.
So you're ready to roll.
Yeah.
What's up, Cam? Want me to close your door for you? Yeah. Close your door. There you go. You're all locked in. Off you go.
Daddy, think we should just let them play with their trucks for a little bit?
Yep, I think so.
You guys say Merry Christmas? Merry Christmas. 2012, guys. This is your third Christmas.
Crazy. Third Christmas already.
Are you gonna go driving? Good job, Gray.
All right. Can you wave goodbye to the camera?
He's going, Daddy. Look at Gray.
Where are you moving, Gray? Oh, you're flying around. You're flying. Bye-bye, Gray.
Bye. Can you wave, Daddy?
Bye-bye, Gray. Oh, there he goes. No
Come on,
problem.
use your feet. You can do it. Use your feet. Push with your feet.
Gray's like, back it up here. Beep, beep, beep,
Whoa,
beep,
look
beep.
at you.
Beep, beep, beep. Don't hit you.
Beep. Crash. Crash.
Get out of here.
Hi, Gray. Go this way.
All
Go
right.
see Daddy. Go
Well-
see Daddy, Gray.
We'll sign off. Say bye-bye, guys.
Wave goodbye to Daddy.
Merry Christmas.
Bye.
Merry
Gray, can you go
Christmas.
Christmas to Daddy? It's like, no, I'm a little boy in my truck.
Yes, all right.